Invain si bai le veku tu na chuan in large te le run te fin te an te laya an in khom na zai le drama tlem karon share leng cheu
Each one has a name. 7 days every week. They're the same. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Jesus made the week this way, with Sabbath as his holy day. 7 days in every week. He's good going to. 7 days in every week. He's good going through. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Jesus made the week this way, with Sabbath as his holy day. Very good. Now the next one they want to sing.
katu te hian zai hi nuam an ti ema abekin large te le run te hi
Is not for you. There is just one thing you gotta do. You gotta tell on you. You gotta tell on you. In a whisper, in a shout, let it out. You gotta tell on you. Jesus loves magic, is it meant to stay? He's got more for you, so give that love away. You gotta tell on you. You gotta tell on you. In a whisper, in a shout, let it out. You gotta tell on you.
Know how to do it very well. Okay? Now, what I want to say, now shake somebody's hand. Shake somebody's hand. Okay, good. Everybody shake your hand. Now,
chang chuan in khom te po hian hei kan buai nuai ve thina tu ten lo trapa anom thadu lawa a buai thak the thin khop mai anuin cha changin apom chhuate angai ni ala trap zui le ngala kan buai ve thenia
okay. Now, this little painting is a picture. You can't see it, but it's a picture of Jesus, and he's holding out his hand, and he has a hole in his hand, a wound in his hand. Did you see that? There's like a hole in his hand. Where did that hole come from? Where did that come from? Jesus' hand has a hole. What? Yeah.
I think when he was on the cross, when the nail just stuck on his hand.
Oh, yeah. Very good. Let's give him a hand for that. We're talking about hands. Let's give him a hand. Well, when Jesus was on the cross, they nailed him to the cross in his hands. Maybe it might have been here or here, probably here, but that was still considered the hand. So, can you imagine a little girl going up to Jesus and saying, "What happened to your hand? What happened to your hand?" Because everything in heaven is going to be perfect. Nobody's going to be walking like this. Nobody's going to be blind. Everybody's going to have plenty of hair. And
kan pastor nu pa te hian fel em ema
only one that's going to have a hole in
in
his
khom
hand.
sermon in khom ma hianin an ko sana chuan in no pang ta tan thon thu an soi thina children story an tia chu he hun hi nia hi to pin no pang ta tan an mang ve pok thina ni
He's going to have that. Do you know why he's going to have that? Anybody know why? Why?
Because he was on the cross.
Right, because he loved you. Because he loved you. And he died for you. Now there was a
Tin
lady.
atangin drama te an changbok thina no pang an tam lo em chuti chung chuanin no pang an involve theinan perin funte an mang thin bok ani an fel dun ve ni
Dreaming until the chain fell off his wrist.
Put your clothes and your shoes on. Follow me.
kan tu te hi an tek te lai tangin kan in khom pui thina chu wang chuanin in khom hi nuam an ti em ni
Realized it was an angel that rescued him. Peter hurried to John Mark's mother's house. He knew that all his friends had gathered there to pray for him. Then he knocked outside the door. Rhoda, the servant girl, answered.
Hello, who is it? Oh, okay, I'll go tell my friends. Peter's here, he's alive. No, it can't be. It's impossible. No, come here, I'll show you.
Oh, and everybody says, "Oh, Peter, you're alive! We are so happy that you are here." Yes, everybody come, let's have Peter, because he's not dead. He's here with us. Okay.
God sent his angels to rescue me from the prison. He sent me to here and he broke the chains off of my hands. And he rescued me.
Everyone began to say, and everybody say, "Praise God, Peter, you're safe." We've been praying for you all night. Peter told how the Lord's angel had helped him escape. Then he said,
I've got to go somewhere that is safer. Tell James and the others what happened. Thank you for your prayers. Keep praying for me.
sa pho an fel na chu no pang te hi an ngai pui mo in an da pui mo em ani ole khati zong kha tu na tan chon lo ni le phot se kalom thank you so much, God bless.